Welcome. Today we'll be learning how to change the toilet paper in a compact 4-roll coreless high-capacity toilet paper dispenser by Georgia Pacific. First off, approaching the dispenser, you'll place your hand underneath the dispenser. Take 3 or 4 fingers and push them firmly against the wall, and then press gently in an upward position. As you press, the dispenser will open. We'll try this one more time. Close it, place your fingers underneath, and just for safety and to make sure you don't damage the unit, you may place your left hand on the upper unit and your right hand under. That way it won't drop so fast. Then locate whatever roll you would like to replace, gently grab it and slide it out. Then you will also want to have some toilet paper, and this dispenser holds 4 1,000 sheets of 2-ply or 4 2,000 sheets of 1-ply coreless toilet paper rolls. They are a little bit of a pain to get unstuck. They're kind of stuck together, and you kind of got to break the glue or whatever binds that first layer together. And once you get that, bring it back over to the dispenser, and if you'll look closely, there's a hole right in the center. It's a coreless, so we'll go all the way down to no toilet paper. There's no cardboard center like normal toilet paper. Okay, so all the rolls need to be going to the right. All the toilet paper needs to come out onto the right. If you put it onto the left, it will not work correctly. So make sure they're all pulled down, not too far on the upper ones, or they'll kind of clog up or get wound in with the bottom one. Put the 2 through the little hole there, and then close the dispenser. You'll hear a click when it's, there you go, and then pull the other 2 down, and there you go. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe down below, and also all links to these products will be down below as well. Thank you.